Fog tomorrow, fiery objects tonight. Here's Steve Anderson sitting in for Sam tonight with the weather.
Okay, well, we've had a lot of calls, people wondering what were those objects. To the best of our knowledge, not the Russian satellite falling from the sky, probably meteorites. So if when you go to sleep tonight you find a fiery object in your bed, probably a meteorite. It's happened before. It's been happening in Canyon City, actually, a few years ago. One went through a roof. Not all that unusual. Please report any information to Jack Murphy at the Geology Department of the Museum of Natural History, numbers 575-3923, if you find the meteorite, please. Temperature outside right now is 21 degrees, 74% relative humidity. Our winds are to the northeast, 5 miles an hour. Pressure falling at 29.78. Skies are clear. We'll take a quick look at our radar picture because there's nothing there. That's why it's a quick look. Let's move on to the satellite picture. Wonderful view from up in space. We see all this moisture coming into the southeastern United States. Watch this area now, weather in motion. We'll slip it in. Right there, coming in towards Colorado with some clouds. No snow reported as of yet. New Mexico seeing some of that activity also. And generally some clear skies up ahead of all of that. So big weather there and big weather back there. Let's check the rest of the nation today. Now, we mentioned the rain. It has been mostly just rain in the southern end of this precipitation pattern. It's been freezing rain across portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, into Arkansas. And then it turns to snow as you get up into some of the colder regions up here. Finally feels like winter in some of these areas. Getting cold readings, 21 degrees today in New York City. High pressure system, clockwise flow of air swings moisture all the way around and back up into this region. That's why it's here. Now, the low pressure system that's sitting here in southern Utah is taking a southerly course. It'll go into New Mexico. It should keep us out of the major weather in Denver, but it looks like southern Colorado could pick up to a foot of snow, and we'll be watching that very carefully. Some more rain across the Pacific Northwest. Nothing unusual there. Temperature for an overnight low, let's check that right now. 18 degrees. Today's high 38, and the record low minus 20 in 1883. 1920, the record high was set at 68 degrees. 43 and 16 are normals. And here's some other information for you. Air quality, too bad today. Poor, 153 the number, 717 the sunrise, 505 the sunset. As for temperatures today, some areas were clear, some were cloudy, and you can tell which was which. These were clear areas here, here, and here. Kind of jumps around today. 52 in Trinidad, the high. Denver had clouds, and 38. It was cold out in Goodland, Kansas at 27. That's the way it was. Let's check what we have for tomorrow. Numerous watches and warnings. This one right here, travelers advisories for the Four Corners area and San Luis Valley. Winter storm warning for the southern mountains, both of those for late tonight and tomorrow. For tomorrow and tomorrow night, as the system moves further east, we have a winter storm watch out for the southeastern plains. The travel advisory is for the northeastern plains, the foothills, and the Denver metro area because of fog. That's for tonight and early tomorrow. Let's check one other thing now, the forecasted temperatures for tomorrow. There they are. Take a quick look. Like that for lows and highs, east mountains and west. These numbers for road information west of I-25 and east of I-25. Let's move on. Take a look at the Denver forecast. Travel advisories, I said, through tomorrow morning. We could get some fog. A low of 18 degrees tonight. Most of that fog should be in the real low-lying areas, patchy and dense. Mostly cloudy tomorrow. Possible evening snow showers and 33, a low of 15 tomorrow night. And as for some other days, it looks like Friday will be clearing, a high of 30. Saturday looks pretty good, too. Mostly sunny and 38. Sunday looks even better. Mostly sunny, a high of 45. You can't argue with the forecast. Most of the weather's going to stay a little bit further to the south.
All right. Thank you very much.
Perfect timing for the weekend. Ron's Polo Sports Report is just ahead.